What is up? I don't know what we're doing. We're just hanging out. Everyone was doing stuff, so I brought Brookie. Me and Brookie are on a little date. I call it a little rock crawling date. We're having some fun. It's really fun. Oh, my rear locker wasn't even engaged. What? Anyways, I didn't even have my rear locker on. I don't really need it, but anyways, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some footage of Mr. Jig here. Oh yeah, look at that. He's scared. He's scared of the unknown. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Yeah, buddy.
All right, where am I going on this way?
To my way a little.
Your way?
Yeah. Just straight down. Yeah, buddy. So Jake here, he's a newbie.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
No, right? He's a newbie, so it looks a lot worse, right?
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna try to get you to go up that little hill.
Just when we came down?
No, the one to the left.
I can't.
Here, follow me.
Okay.
I don't want you to send it too hard though, so we're just gonna see if you can crawl up it without lockers.
Okay.
In fact, I'm gonna try it without lockers.
Okay.
I'll disengage my lockers. All right, guys. So we've been climbing this obstacle with my rear lockers. I think my fronts are still broke. So we're gonna try it without the lockers. We'll see what we can do. Oh yeah, look at that. She did just fine. So we're gonna get out. We're gonna see if both Jake can make it.
Straddle the rock?
Yeah, well, there you go. Now straight. What's up? This way. Yeah, back up. Turn to the right just a hair. Just a hair. Right there. Now go try to go a little. Okay, turn right.
Right.
Or to the left. Sorry, passenger. Driver. I don't know what I'm saying. Just right there. Okay, back up. Let's try it again. Well, get another angle. Just go back. Just go straight back.
My hitch is back there too.
Yeah, you're alright. Back. We need to reposition, get your rear wheels back over that way just a little. Okay. Now just come straight. Slightly to your right. Back up and go to your passenger just a little. Okay. Okay. Now straighten it. Okay. One more time, but don't go too buck wild. No. Okay. Turn to the right a little. Now back this way. Back up just a tiny bit. Oh, they're so close. Okay, well. Yeah. Just go straight.
What am I thinking?
Well, I don't necessarily want you to bump it because if you bump it and you start sliding this way, but just go straight. Yeah, buddy!
Wow.
Look at that. See that? Nice. Dude, that was awesome. He did that without any lockers. He probably could have aired down just a little bit more, but he did it. Straight. Right there. This way. Just come while you're turning. There you go. Okay. Straighten it just a little. Right there. This way a little. Okay, this way. Slow. Slow. You're gonna drop. Okay, slow. You're good. Yeah, yeah. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're back. Oh. You're gonna have to, I think you gotta back up, turn this way, or turn back up a little bit. Well, hold on. Dude, you might smash. You might smash. Like, not that, but a different smash. So I need you to turn driver just a little bit and back up. Keep going. Okay. You can't. Back, keep going back. Okay. Now turn towards me. Okay, now come. Okay, hold on, hold on. Now come straighten it out. Okay, hold on. Okay, straight. Straight. Okay, slow. Slow or your ear's gonna fall. Straight. Okay, just slow. Straight though, come this way. Oh yeah, okay, now straight. Yeah, buddy. Now go right. The way I point, sorry, I'm new at this too, telling people what to do. Now straighten it out. Not a kid, slow. Yeah, buddy. What rock? Oh, the one you just went down?
Just went over.
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. That's awesome.
We're gonna have to see that photo.
Yeah, you'll see it when the video comes out.
This is why Mom needs to come.
What?
So she can film and not
Oh,
me.
you're doing good.
Smile. To the left.
All right, let's go check out what Jake's doing. All right, we're gonna see if old Jake can come up this little section here. There's so many bugs up here. Holy cow! I should have brought some bug spray. Come this way a little. Now straight. Go this way. There you go. Now come this way. Turn that way. Go that way. Passenger. Now driver. Now straight. Okay, come this way a little. Now straight. Now straight. Go this way. Turn. Now straight. There you go. Now, yeah. Nice. Just keep going straight. Driver a little. Driver. 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 Alright, I'll go move. Nice, dude. That was the hard part, coming up that side.
Yeah, I think that was.
This other side's not too bad. I was just doing it on my own. I didn't have anyone help me on this side, so I got caught in that little section right there with the other Jeep. But I think I'm about done with these bugs, though.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. Don't inhale. All right.
Jake, good job, brother. That was sweet, dude.
Yeah.
I'll move my Jeep. When that comes on, will you press it? No, no.
No.
just come straight down. Like I said. Oh, Jake's nervous. I think he's nervous.
Actually, I'm not nervous at all.
Nice. That looks pretty good from this angle. No, you gotta go down.
Want me to go down there?
No.
It's not gonna happen.
All right, guys, that's it. That's all for the video. I don't know how much more I'm not gonna film anymore. There's so many bugs out here. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go home. We're gonna go eat, get some water, do whatever. Jake's spending the night somewhere up yonder over there. But peace out, smile, and have fun, and go buy toys that you can have fun with if you can afford it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait